Hey, and thank you for watching. So for today's video, we have a 2-in-1. I'm going to do an updated review on my purse as well as show you what's inside of it. Even just talking about this bag puts me in a really good mood. So the purse I'm going to be reviewing and showing you around in is the Pochette Metis. I've shown this bag before. I love it so much, but this is just a perfect bag. It has a top handle, but also it is crossbody. Something I really like about the handle is that it is the monogram leather and not the untreated like this vachetta leather. Also, I really appreciate the fact that right here, this thing spins right here, so you can't get anything tangled. To be able to spin this and straighten this out is really nice because this strap is flat. So if it's like crooked like this, you can just spin it and it will lay really nicely. Really random pro, I don't know, but I do love it. The top handle is untreated leather. It's vachetta or vaquetta leather. It will patina over time and darken, turn more of like this color right here. I actually prefer when things are not perfect. So this I'm pretty excited about because it does have some wear on it. There are raindrops. I live in Washington State. Yes, I take this out in the rain. But if that is a concern of yours, there are things you can do like spray apple guard onto it and it will not prevent the patina, but it will prevent the water drop. I've heard some complaints about Louis Vuitton as of late because their hardware scratches. I have not experienced that at all. This one presses in and unlocks it. I actually don't see, I mean there's fingerprints, but really the scratching is so minimal. I don't baby this bag. I wear it like a bag. I hold my things in it. It's on the outside of my body, so wear and tear is to be expected, but honestly, it's not even bad even if you were picky about it. I mean, there's smudging, sure, fingerprints, you know, this is what you touch, but I have no problem with this. I love this guy. Obviously, I love the outside. The inside is A+ as well, so the review is like just basically, I love this bag so much, but I do want to show you what I keep inside. I'll start with this right here. This actually is where I keep my phone. I have a pop socket, so I don't put it in this way. I put it in this way, just so it can be flat. But this is so perfect because you don't have to open all this to get into your phone. So this bag will be up on your body, and then if you need to access your phone, you don't have to open it. It's just right here. I love this pocket. Also, inside, just because it's the quickest pocket, I have when we were allowed to leave the house. It's just like a parking thing, just so you can like remember what floor you're on. And then I have here a couple business cards because I was looking at cars. These actually I don't really need to keep. I can throw those in the bin. But that was what was in here. Uh-oh. And a quarter. Actually inside of the bag is this St. Francis coin that I got from my dear friend Shelby. This I had in my car, but I used a different car, so I took it out, but I'll put this back. I have to get better about throwing these things out, but this is just a receipt from Target. This might have been the most interesting part of this video. And then the inside, I pretty much know what's in here because I keep it a little bit organized. There are two sections of this bag. There's a front area and then a back area. So this is very accessible and I like to separate it. I like to keep the more personal items closer to my body. So in the first pocket thing, this is like a glasses cleaner, like for sunglasses. I don't know, microfiber or something. When you buy either eyeglasses or sunglasses, these come with it. So this I just like to wipe because if you use your shirt to wipe your glasses, it will smudge or even scratch. And then also in that pocket, I have the cutest mirror. This I got for Christmas. This is the multicolor and white monogram. And I know this is from Fashion File because that's how it was wrapped on Christmas. But this, if you pull this, is a mirror. How cute is this? When do you see somebody pulling a mirror like this? I think it's so much cooler than a compact. And this is how I carry my keys. I have here my mail key, front door key, and all that. I've had this for the same amount of time as the bag. The only thing I can say is that if you're going to use a key, I recommend pulling the key out and then holding it like this when you use it, because if you let these open, just dangling like this part that you put the keys on actually slides quite easily, but you can lose a key on the ring, which I just did. I really like having the keys enclosed like this because they're not scratching anything and they're not rummaging all around your things. In the back pocket, I have my car key, which is on this, and then I purchased this from Amazon, I think. It's just so cute. So this is my car key, and then this is the key pouch that I actually don't keep any keys in. This has my other cards. Here I have my Costco card. I have one of these like things that keep RFIDs from scanning your debit card. Try to avoid theft. Best Buy card, a couple Target gift cards. I wonder how much is on these. $5 and I don't know. Oh, coffee card, IKEA card. So I just keep my random cards in this guy, and I think it works out perfectly because they're accessible, but they're not in my wallet because that kind of bothers me. I'll show you my wallet next. This is a card holder, and I use this as my wallet. I have my driver's license in here, insurance card, debit card, one of those anti-theft cards in the middle slot. This is so cute. This is not sponsored, nothing is, but I went on tagsforhope.com and I made cute little IDs for my dogs. How cute is this? That's definitely the best part of this wallet, and I like having it in a card holder. It's less cumbersome. The fuchsia inside matches the key holder. Last thing I have in here is some hand lotion. I love the magnetic closure. Yeah, I just love this bag. So this is definitely worth it. They did increase the price, but I still think that it's so worth it. If you can get your hand on this, you should. And I really like to hold it like this. Is that nerdy? I don't know. So that was my updated review on the Pochette Metis, as well as what's in my bag. Please tune in to the other videos on my channel. Thanks for watching.